Hello guys, in this video I will show you what is FittedBox widget in Flutter. So I will use this widget to make our layout looks good. So let me start with a widget called row. So I'm going to add row widget, and inside this I'm going to add list of widgets. So I'm going to use a property called children, and inside this square brackets I'm going to add container widget. So let me use child property to add image. So I'm going to add image dot network image. So let me add link here. So that's it. See what happens if I save and run this. So image have added, that's fine. So what happens if I add some text after this? Okay, so let me show you. Let me add a comma, and I'm going to add a text widget here. So text widget, and inside that I'm going to add some text. So let me add hello guys, welcome to my channel expert coder. So okay, and see what happens. So let me remove this extra parenthesis. Let me save and run this now. See what happens. So see, you can see here the text is overflowed at the right side. So to overcome this problem, I'm going to wrap this entire row widget with FittedBox. So let me wrap this with the widget, and I'm going to rename this widget with the FittedBox. That's it. So let me save and run this. So see, inside this row the two widgets, which are container and text widget, have fitted perfectly and inside row, because we have wrapped this row widget with a FittedBox widget. So it is used to scale and position its children's. Okay, so for example, let me give width and height of this container. See, the child of container will automatically get adjusted. So similarly, it will fit the text according to the size available, because we've wrapped the entire row widget with FittedBox widget. So for example, let me change its color. Then this container will get color, so you can see properly. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like.